Most Nevada Energy customers don't know that the rates increased by 2% as of September 1st of 2023. What most Nevada Energy customers also don't know is that there is currently another application going that's going to increase Nevada Energy's revenue by $100 million next year. So there are two rate increases that you haven't even seen yet, but the tracks have already been laid. And those are in addition to what we've already seen this year, which were record high rate increases with Nevada Energy. So people are already feeling the pain of extreme rate hikes. And it's only going to get worse. So what should you do? Well, if you don't like extreme rate increases that you have no control over, now is the time to look at solar. Now, hey, if you don't care, it's just money and you don't mind being charged rate increase after rate increase, stick with the plan that you're on because you're in the perfect place. But if you do care about your money, if you do work hard for it, and you do want to protect and control your future rate costs, then you should log on to energyupsolar.com today. Log on to energyupsolar.com. There'll be a pop-up with Nevada Energy. You click that and you can learn more about your options. That's energyupsolar.com. Click the pop-up for Nevada Energy, learn more about what's going on, how you can prevent it, and we offer hassle-free information so you're not bothered by salespeople. energyupsolar.com. Log on today, click the pop-up for Nevada Energy, learn more about what's going on, see how you can control your rates. No hassles, no games, no gimmicks. energyupsolar.com today. Log on if you want to protect your money.